leaker. And by that, go into the car, feel for damp patches, and if there's a musty smell, then it's going to be a poor purchase. The car will have leaked and will have water in it. The second thing to look out for is start the car up and look at the exhaust smoke. It should be clean with no black smoke and no oil in it. That's a good sign that the engine's in good condition. Oil pressure should be about 30 to 40 psi when the engine's revving, and about 10 psi at tick over.
And the radio and automobile was quite safe back in that year. Again, trying to be different. This was not real successful. It's just actually that the Chimaera is on the dashboard rather than up here. A lot of you have the stuff to do. But the good thing is, this is the first year of third glass. So it's all going to be a few recent glasses. So this one,
Good morning everybody and welcome to another video. Hi Russ, it's a wet morning, but look where we are. We're down at the Lytham Motor Company with Paul Singleton, Russ Larkham, and we're going to have a bit of a caper this morning. We're picking up a car, aren't we Russ?
Yeah, well you might have guessed by my recent post on Facebook and the fact I've got the jacket on. TVR revisited and Paul facilitated that because look,
everyone have a look.
It's a beautiful car. We're just about to pick that up off Paul, which is Lytham Motor Company have been great throughout the whole process. Very efficient, great. So I'm very, I would really recommend them easily buying the car from which actually did, which was an SLK, but that's another story.
Right, there's lots of dealing going on here.
Listen, Russell, thank you very much. Thank you. It's a pleasure doing business with you. And you've got a beautiful car there. You've got a beautiful car.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Paul, thank you so much.
Now and you can have the roof down.
We'll see you again anyway. Paul, how long have you been here by the way?
We've been here about 25 years.
Yeah. Have you got a website?
We've got a website, yeah.
Come down.
Lytham Motor Company website, yeah.
Check out all the deals.
Everything's on there. Check out the deals, all the finest deals.
I think
all
you're
the
very...
bargains, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, it's brilliant. Listen, lovely to meet you. Russ, are you ready to go?
Yeah, we
Get
are,
your car on the road. Thanks, Paul.
Thank you.
We'll see you again. Have a great day. Thank you. Oh, she's making some noise, Russ. Oh, it's a beautiful car. It's a Chimaera, is it? Am I saying that right?
Chimaera, yeah.
Give us the spec on it, Russ.
4 litre V8, Rover V8, 4 litre Chimaera, 1998. Quite high mileage, but well looked after. A lot of money spent on it.
Yeah.
So
Has been really looked after, this one, hasn't it?
Yeah.
You've had it checked into. It's stunning.
Yeah.
You'll
So
be back in.
more videos on it, I'm sure.
Bit unplanned this morning, guys. Sorry for the laryngitis. This is real life, real cars, real passions. That is a beautiful car. Just look at this, guys. At the Lytham Motor Company. That was Paul Singleton. Very, very lovely gentleman. There's loads of advice here today. And we're just going to wait for us to pull off in the rain. So even on the rainy days, you can just enjoy your car, get it out on the road, give it a little run. And you know what? You don't even feel like it's raining when you're in a car like that. What a beautiful colour. What a beautiful colour. Oh my God. Hear the engine. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting that. It is a stunning beauty of a car. This is getting sorted there. Wipers are on. They're not going to do too much good. I think it's the Lakeland visit today. Let's look around the back. Got some rain going in the camera. Apologies for that, guys. Let me give that a wipe. There we go. It's all just capturing this moment for history, as we do for our friends in the car community. Woo! I love it. Nothing like like buying a new car, is there? Listen out. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that number plate, guys. That is just so amazing. There it goes, round the corner, St. Anne's, eat your heart out. And on to another lovely day. Car heaven, car TV heaven revisited. All the best, y'all.